Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get Twitter followers for free. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly copy your Twitter profile link and go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword follower in. Scroll down and select the Read More below the post. As you can see, our followers was sent successfully and should arrive on our account in few minutes. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.